Welcome to Cointester. This video will show you how to create a strategy and perform your first backtest. Let's start by giving your strategy a name, description, and an image. These will help you to identify your strategy as well as keeping things organized. Once we upload the image, we can click Update and proceed with the rule building. Let's create a buy rule, which is used for opening the positions and set the first indicator. Cointester offers more than 100 different indicators. For this example, let's select an indicator in Crypto Indicators category. Each category contains many different indicators. Let's use Aggregated Liquidations indicator. We want Solana aggregated short liquidations in US dollars. We set the inputs accordingly. We click Add button once finished. Now, we need to select the comparison operator. Cointester provides many operators which allows to build complex strategies. Let's choose a simple operator for now. Next, we add second indicator to compare against. As we need to compare liquidations against a number, we select simple number indicator and specify the number. Now we have a fully defined buy rule, which states that if Solana liquidations exceed $10 million, we place a buy order. Next, we switch to sell rules, create our first sell rule, and select the first indicator. We want to place a sell order when we encounter bearish hammer stick candle pattern, thus we select it from the provided pattern list. We set the time frame on which the pattern will be detected and sensitivity, which determines the pattern strength. Candlestick indicators do not require setting any other rules, as they either appear on the chart or not. We successfully defined a sell rule and now can proceed with the backtest settings. Just like with our strategy, we'll give the backtest a clear name and description. This makes it easy to find and compare later. Backtest settings define the rules of your simulation, things like which pair to trade, the time period to test, and your starting balance. Let's set the pair to Solana against US dollar and choose our time period. Next, we define our position rules, a stop loss at 3% and take profit at 10%. We proceed with setting the trading fees. For this example, we won't use any leverage. Now we run the backtest. It uses our active strategy along with the settings we just configured. You can see the backtest is now running and executing trades based on our rules. Once the backtest is complete, we'll get detailed information and insights on every trade along with overall statistics. Here are our results, overall statistics including win rate, Sharpe ratio, total fees paid, and other key metrics. Below that, there's a trading view chart showing every trade the strategy made. Below that, there's a table listing every trade executed according to our strategy and settings. Click on one to jump straight to it on the chart. We can also view the rule evaluation for each trade to see why it was executed and what rule values triggered it. This applies to both buy and sell orders, as the rules are different for each. We can see the position totals summarized at the end. Lastly, we have visual charts representing the backtest data. Happy backtesting!